In this video, I will show you how to create a Phantom Wallet username. To get started, go ahead and open Phantom Wallet on your device and make sure you're signed in into your account. If you're a new user on Phantom Wallet, you'll actually find that create a username suggestion under this receive, send, swap, and buy section. So you can just go ahead and hit on that create username suggestion, and that will take you into your profile where you can set your username. If you can't find that in there, you can go ahead and hit on your top left corner and hit on your view profile button. Now in here, go ahead and click on that edit profile button, and that will take you into a new page where you can actually simply set your username in that section. So as you can see in here, under the about section, you'll be able to find the username. So there is no way for you to actually change your username, and you can set it only once as a user. Make sure that you're using the username of your preference. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.